Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device meets the basics and signing into Google. This saves time because Lens ties to your Google account. Open Play Store or App Store now, search for Google App or Google Lens app depending on your platform, and tap Install or Update. Allow camera and storage permissions when prompted so Lens can analyze images. Once done, make sure location is enabled if you want contextual results. This helps Lens give smarter suggestions based on where you are. You now configure Lens inside the Google app or the separate Lens app. This is where capability choices matter. Open the app, tap the Lens icon, and follow the on-screen prompts to allow camera access. This lets Lens analyze objects and text. Next, enable OCR or shopping features in settings if you plan to copy text or identify products. Those toggle options change how results appear. Once configured, try a quick scan of a business card or book cover to confirm recognition works correctly. You finish by practicing and integrating Lens into daily tasks. Try scanning a receipt, a plant leaf, and a barcode to see differences and learn which mode works best. If results are slow, make sure the Google app is updated, clear cache to free resources, and close background apps that hog memory. If Lens still misbehaves, restart your device, and if needed, revoke then regrant camera permission or reinstall the app. This often resolves stubborn permission or index issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.